we continue creating, building the dense cloud. So in my case, I'm going to use medium quality, because otherwise it will require um, too long to process. And we leave this like this. Calculate point colors. Okay, I just press OK, and we wait. It will take a while. Okay, it's done. So we can see that if we go to workplace, dense cloud was created. Okay, and this is the number of the points. This is the quality, filtering mode, processing time 1 minute 8 seconds, and you have different information here. Okay, now that we have the dense cloud, we can proceed building the mesh. Okay, the mesh is kind of a 3D model that we need to specify what cloud of points we want to use. In this case, I suggest to use the dense cloud that we have created. Here as well there is high, medium, low. Let's try with the high, because we don't have so many picture. Okay, and we leave everything like this here. Okay, start. Generating the mesh. It's not taking so long in this case. Okay, so a mesh was generated. Okay, we have this mistake here because of course we are not using we are just using 2 markers, so we don't have like the elevation for the points that are here. Okay, the best thing is use a grid. We are just using picture that were aligned, so that's on a line, so that's the problem. Okay, but in any case, okay, this is the mesh. Now the mesh here is not textured. No, we can visualize the mesh as a in different way, like for example, in this case, wireframe, solid, shaded, like this. So we mix the texture. We need the texture to create the orthophoto as well. So what we do, we just go and build texture. Orthophoto, okay, and okay. Let's build the texture. It's still processing. 61% done. We need to wait to build the texture. It takes a lot of time, even if you have just a few pictures, because the software need to compute a lot of things to perfectly join all the picture together. we need to wait. Okay, done. So now here we have the option textured. We can select this option, and as you can see, the image is much clearer than before. Now we have a textured model. Okay, so let's visualize the cameras in the model. Clicking this show cameras, so we can see that we are just using a line of picture. Okay, so that's why on this side we have this problem. Okay, here we can select and can select the picture to understand. So now that we have all these things, we can go in to generate the contour lines. You see, generate contours. We still need one model, that is the dam. Okay, so if we build the dam using the graphic, we can use the dense cloud as well, or the mesh, depending on what we want. So set up boundaries. We can set up boundaries in this case. Okay, let's try like this. Yeah, okay. We need to save before. Let's just save as photo test. We put test test 5. Okay, we save like this, and now that everything is saved, we just go here, build them. Okay, and we generate the elevated model. Okay, now you see here, generate contour, and we can say every 2 meters, prevent intersection, and we just press OK. Okay, so we have the contour line. Okay, just hide those. So now, as you can see in our model, we have contour lines that are like polylines that we can export in Autocad as and put on a map. Okay, and there are also, you can hide the polylines, so shape in this way. Okay, and so now like this. Now we try to export a few things to see if they match our point in Autocad. Okay, so what we do, for example, I want to export these two points, the marker points firstly. So we do here, we do in export points, export marker. Okay, so I want to export the marker, so just click export markers, and the X file that we write markers test, for example, 5. Okay, we save. This is the coordinate system. Okay, after that we want to export the contour line, so we go in shapes. Okay, same things, the extract, we write contours test 5. Remember, contours, the coordinate system is the same, the labels, attributes, okay, everything, export. And what we want to do also, we want to have, for example, the cloud. Okay, we want to export the cloud of points, so export points. In this case we can export everything as a DXF file, but I suggest you to export just as a XYZ point cloud. Okay, so we write clouds test 5. Okay, the coordinate system is this one. The dense cloud is gonna be the dense cloud is very heavy, so just to show you that everything is okay, I'll export just the sparse cloud. Okay, so like this, and let's go. Okay, and now the cloud was exported. No, now we go back to let's go back to AutoCAD Civil 3D, and I'll show you how to set AutoCAD, for to import the file. So first of all, we need to be sure that we are in the right coordinate system. To do this, we just go in this icon, in the Civil 3D AutoCAD icon. We click with the left mouse button. We go down to drawing utilities and drawing settings. We click, we open this menu. This menu, we need to be sure that we are working in meters, because and that we are in the right coordinate system. So at the moment, no datum, no projection. So we just click here and we look for our UTM WGS84 datum. So we click and we change also this one to 40 south here. Okay, so that the coordinate system is the same that we are using in Agisoft. So apply. Okay, now we are ready to import the cloud. To do this, we just go here, insert, we points from file. Okay, insert points from file. Okay, now our file is this one, and space delimited. There are no comma in the file, so we just click here, we click the plus sign to open the to open this one, and we look for this one, cloud test file. That is the file with the points that we saved previously. So we just click, and as you can see, all points, easting, northing point elevation, were loaded. Now we just click OK, and if everything is correct, the point should load here. It's low. Okay, it took a while, but as you can see, we have the clouds of points here on the map, perfectly aligned with our point that were surveyed with the total station. Okay, now if we want to verify also those points, we can just import, insert the 2 points that you know were saved as marker. So point from file, again, what's where the first files, no, points, but we don't know, we save them as DFX. So to open the DFX, we need to go here in this icon, open. We look for the file that we have saved. So okay, marker test, we just open marker test, and as you can see, we are going to open a new Autocad file that is a DXF file with just the 2 points. You see? Okay, we have SDK, SDM. So now to copy those 2 points in the same coordinate system in target Roswell file, you know, we need to do this. Okay, first of all, we just zoom extension, zoom extend. Okay, like this. So same things, we need to put everything in the right coordinate system. So here we just go down, we go in 1 and 40 south, the south, like this, apply. Okay, now wait, and meter, we forgot to change meter here. Okay, apply. Okay, now we just select the 2 points like this, we go to clip or copy. Okay, now we go to the other file here and we just paste, clip or paste to original coordinates, and as you can see, we have this SDK paste here, and the other one is on top. And now here and here, we need to check also that in the settings of this is unchecked. This need to be unchecked. Scale object insert from other drawing. So this meter, degrees, this is unchecked. The custom, and it's the right coordinate system. So in this way, we can like apply on this, on the drawing, like several layers of the XF file. So for example, now if I want to insert the contour line, we go to contour test 5. Okay, here we have the file with our contours and with the nodes. You know, we can change the layers, the colors and everything, because they are separate. Okay, we can delete, we can clean, few things that we don't know, like here for example, and like this we can clean everything. Okay, but now to import all this, we need to do the same things. Well, first of all, we need to put everything in the same coordinates, drawing settings. Okay, meter here as well, to be sure before, and it's 40 south, everything is right. Apply. We just select everything, we copy it, we go to our file, and we just paste on original coordinate. Just wait, and as you can see, now we have everything on the map. This is a 3D map. Of course, it's not just a 2D map. It works like this. 3D model. Problem is that the file is very heavy, you know, so it's not, because there are all the points, but we can move it and in the 3D space.